What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. In today's episode we're going to be finishing up some engine bay work and we're going to be putting the trans in the car. So the first thing that I did is I put some new jacketing on this wiring here and reconnected the fans. It's looking much better. Alright, so we got the flywheel bolts tightened. Now we just got to get the clutch on. So we found this T at O'Reilly's, so you can trim it up based on whatever size you need, so we're going to use this for the turbo. Got it. Single-handedly. Well guys, Marshall had to leave, so basically what I did is I got the clutch alignment tool, readjusted it because I guess it had gotten off somehow, unbolted it, tightened the bolts back up, got it all correct this time, and then so from there basically I just put the transmission on my thighs and I was able to guide it in correctly, got it bolted up, now it's on a jack stand over there, so it should be good to go. I'm really excited that everything, all the big parts are back in the car, so now I just gotta finish bolting it up. We're good to go. Getting this brand new starter put in. So now I'm putting some heat wrap on the downpipe for the turbo, just so that way it helps dissipate some of the heat. And here's the finished product. The intercooler is all good to go. Well guys, that wraps it up for this one. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe for future content, and I'll see you guys in the next episode.